Good morning, students. In our previous class we have completed the 8th unit, is it? Introduction to algebra. In this unit we have learned the linear equation. This is also one of the content in algebra, the same method. Okay, algebra la or part tha. Okay, so linear equation. So what is mean by equation? Equating on the both side are same, is it? Left hand side and right hand side are equal, then it is called equal, is it? You may have seen vegetable vendors or fruit vendors in a market using the various scale. Someone using the digital machine, someone using the balancing machine, is it? For example, we will go to purchase some apples from the fruit vendor. Okay, what we do? We will go and ask to the vendor, for example, 3 kg of apple. Okay, so what did do that man? What do? Keep some fruits, keep some apples on the one side of the scale. Okay, so have assumed this. Okay, so the weight here keeps some weight, is it? Here you have keep some weight. For example, we have purchased 5 kg of 5 kg apple. So for example, here we have much more apple keep in this place. The scale move here. என்ன ஆயிடுமா? Down ஆயிடும். அப்படி தானே? Because the apple weight is more than the weight. Now the fruit vendor will pick some apple from the apple scale. அப்படி தானே? என்ன செய்வார்? கொஞ்சம் ஆப்பிள்ஸ், ஏன்னா இங்கே நிறைய ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ அதுலேருந்து என்ன செய்வார்? எடுக்கும் போது when we get the balance, okay, the weight of the apple is equal to the weight of the weight scale. ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் போது தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? when there is balanced on the both side. When there is balance on both side of the scale. When balance on the both side of the scale. Okay, do you understand? That is called the equation. That is called equation. அது ஈக்குவலாக வர வரைக்கும் அந்த பேலன்ஸ் மிஷினில் பண்ணுறாங்க இல்லையா? என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? கொஞ்சம் ஆப்பிள்ஸ் வந்து நிறையா இருந்துச்சு, is it? If you consider the more apples, is it? The apple is more than the weight. What they do? The fruits எல்லாம் will pick some apples from the apple scale. apple scaleலேருந்து என்ன செஞ்சார்? கொஞ்சம் ஆப்பிள்ஸை எடுத்தார். எடுத்ததுக்கப்புறம் இப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? பேலன்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. இது எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக இருக்கும். எப்படி இருக்குமா? ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக இருக்கு. ஸோ நவ் இந்த வெயிட்டுக்கு இந்த ஆப்பிள் வந்து என்னது? இந்த ஆப்பிள்ஸ், தீஸ் ஆப்பிள்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். தீஸ் ஆப்பிள்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன். ஈக்குவாலிட்டி. யூ ஹாவ் ப்ரூவ் தி ஈக்குவாலிட்டி இஸ் கால்ட் equation. Okay, equality of the statement is called the equation. Okay, so that we have used the simple equal. It's called, we have used the simple equal. Okay, so what is the definition of equation? Yeah, equation is a mathematical statement equating two expressions containing the variables. For example, you know that, for example, 6. Okay, 6. We didn't know this place. Okay, unknown variable. Here 8. So which number we have replaced in this place, we get the value of 8. Which number we have added in this place, we get the equality 2. Is it 6 plus 2? Any other number is apply, we have get value is 8. It's not possible. எப்படி தானே 2 மட்டும் தான் possible. வேற எந்த நம்பர் போட்டாலும் it's not equal. Okay, so that is called the equality. Okay, so the left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, here some variables that is given. The equation means equating. Okay, you have proved the equality. Okay, equality of the statement. So equation is a mathematical statement equating two expressions. Here one of the expression 6 plus x equal to here one side is weight and the side is the fruits. Okay, so equating two expressions containing the variables, here the variable is x. Okay, so 6, which number we have replaced in this variable, we get the equality 2. Okay, so 6 plus 2 equal to, so both sides are equal, then it's called the equation. Okay, and then linear equation means an equation which involves the variables with the highest power 1 is called the linear equation. It's called the linear equation. See, x is one of the variable. Okay, x plus 3 is equal to 9. So what is the variable power? That's meaning is 1. X means the power 1. Okay, so x multiplied by 1 times, so x power 1. Okay, so it is a linear equation. For example, xy it is a linear equation because highest power is 1. Power is வேற எந்த வேரியபிளுமே இல்லை, ஒரு வேரியபிள் தான் இருக்குது, அதோடைய ஹையஸ்ட் பவர் என்னதுமா 1. Here x having the power is 1, y also having the 1. So sum of this variable, we have to highest power of the variable. Okay, so highest power of the variable is 2. Here power 1. So rendili edu highest value 2. So it is not a linear equation. Okay, it's not because the highest power is 2. When we said the highest power linear equation, the highest power is 1. எப்போ நம்ம linear equation சொல்லுவோமா, the highest power of the variable is 1, then we have said the linear equation. Okay, so it is not a linear equation. Okay, now see the example related to this. Write the following mathematical statement as the algebraic expression. 3 more than 5 times of x gives 18. These are we have learned in the previous class, previous unit. Well, okay. Example 1. The first statement, 3 more than 5. Already you know that verbal expression, more than means plus. Okay, 5 times. 5 times means 5 multiplied by x. Okay, of x gives is where this type of verbal expression represent an algebraic expression as equal to. Is it? So how can you express this? Solution. 5 times x, is it? First one, 5 times 5 times x is equal to 5x. Okay, and then 3 more than 5 times of x. 3 more than 5 times of x is equal to 5x plus 3. And last one gives 18. Gives 18 is equal to 5x plus 3 is equal to 18. It gives this one, okay, it gives 18. So 5x plus 3 is equal to 18 as the expression. Okay, the second one, the sum of p and 7. Sum means add, is it? Sum of p and 7. So p plus 7, right? And then gives 12. It gives 12. That is p plus 7 is equal to 12. That's it. Okay, right. And C1. Let 1/3 of the number. So number be x. Let the number be x. Okay, 1/3 of number. 1/3 of number is equal to 1/3 of x. That is 1/3x. Okay, right. Increased by 5. Increased means addition, is it? Increased by 5. It increased by 5. That is x by 3 plus 5. Okay, and finally given is 8. Is means equal to. So it increase by 5 is 8. So x by 3 plus 5 equal to 8. And example 2, convert the following equation into statement. So equation is given, you have changed to the statement. Example 2, A x plus 2 is equal to 5. So plus sign is given. So how can you write? Sum of x and 2. Okay, or the number more than 2. எப்படினாலும் எழுதலாம். The number more than 2 means, so x plus the number considered be x, so x plus 2. Okay, so here I have considered sum of x and y. Okay, solution, the sum of x and 2. So the sum of x and 2 equal to means is or gives. Okay, is 5 சொல்லலாம், இல்லைனா gives. Okay, the sum of x and 2, okay, is equal to, gives is where for the verbal sentence. So அந்த verbal sentence வந்து complete ஆகிற மாதிரி verbs யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, கிவ்ஸ்னா கிவ்ஸ், இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணும் போது கிடைக்கிறது, ஸோ கொடுக்கும் அப்படிங்கும் போது கிவ்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா அந்த வெர்பல் சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகும். ஓகேவாம்மா? ஸோ த சம் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் அண்ட் ஒய், ஹியர் யூ ஹாவ் யூஸிங் தி லெட்டர் அண்ட். ஓகே, மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுறத விட வெர்பலில் எழுதும் போது யூ ஹாவ் fully write in the verbal expression. Okay, the sum of x and y, x and 2 gives 5. Gives 5. Okay, and B. 5p plus 3 is equal to 28. Equal to 28. The 3 more than 5 times of p. Okay, 3 more than 5 times of p. 5 times of p gives 28. Okay, right. And next is C. 2 by 3 m minus 1 equal to 5. Okay, here minus 1, so less than. Okay, less than. Here the quotient of 2 and 3 are 2/3 of, okay, 2/3. Okay, how can I read this? 2/3 of m. Okay, so 1 less than 2/3 of m. 2/3 of m is 5. 2/3 of m is 5. Okay, and next one, equation with the pair of scale. So here we have the balance machine இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ இப்போ இங்கேருந்து ஒரு ஆப்பிள் எடுக்கும்போது இது பேலன்ஸ் ஆகிடுச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணி வைக்கணும்னா ஒன்று வெயிட்டை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணணும், அட் த சேம் டைம் குவான்டிட்டி ஆல்சோ இன்க்ரீஸ். அப்போ தான் அது ரெண்டு பேலன்ஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ வி ஹாவ் ஃபாலோ சம் ரூல்ஸ் ஃபார் யூஸிங் தி பேலன்ஸ் scale. Okay, see the rules. So next one, equation with a pair of scale. So pair of scale means you know that, is it? Already explained. Okay, both side equal, both side they equal, right? Okay, both sides of the equations are balanced. Both sides of the equations are balanced in the same manner as the scale of the balance, as the scale of the balance. In order to maintain the balances, we need to remember some rules. Okay, we have followed some rules. The first one, the rule for balancing the linear equation. Let us we have considered the example. We have considered 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. It is an equality, is it? 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Both sides of the value is 8. Okay, so equal. Left hand side and right hand side also equal. The first rule, if we add the same quantity on the both side. Okay, நான் இந்த சைட்லேயும் அந்த சைட்லேயும் ஒரு வேல்யூ ஆட் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னா the same number only we have to add, then only we get the equality. Okay, if we add the same quantity on the both side of an equality, the equality holds true, is it? Yes. How? 6 plus 2 is equal to here 8. Suppose we have added, okay, the rule number example, we have add 6 plus 2, in this side we have add 3. Okay, so 8 plus 3. Okay, here also we should add a 3. Both sides added the same, then only the equality is true. Then only the equality is true. Is it? What is the value of left hand side? Right hand side. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Then the equality is hold. Okay, now move the second rule. Rule 2, if we subtract okay, if we subtract the same quantity on both sides of an equality, the equality is whole. The equality is, okay, equality is hold. True. Okay. The rule 2, if we subtract the same quantity, if we subtract the same quantity on the both side of an equality, the equality holds true. Okay, example, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, that is, we have considered the equation, equality of the statement. Okay, now I have subtract minus 4 this side, and here also subtract 4. What we get? 4. So left hand side and right hand side are wholes. Okay, and then rule 3. If we multiply both sides of an equality, okay, if we multiply the same quantity on both sides of an equality, the equality holds. The equality hold true. Okay, example, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Okay, we have considered the statement. Okay, now multiply both sides by 2. So 2 into 8, here also 2 into 8. So both sides we get 16. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. The equality is holds true. Holds true. And rule 4, if we divide the both side, okay, if we divide if we divide the same quantity on both sides of an equality, the equality holds true. Holds true. Watch what we had. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. We have considered the equality. So now divide by 2, this side also divided by 2. So 8 by 2, here also 8 by 2. So 4 is equal to 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, that's all. So what are the rules we have followed? When we added in the any equality, we should both side added or both side subtract or both side multiply or both side should divide, then only we get the equality holds. Okay, equality is true. Okay, one side you have added, another one side of that you didn't add, you not got the equality. Okay, so what is the definition of equation? An equation is a mathematical expression z to expression on the variables, and then linear equation means an equation which contains the highest power of the variable is 1, then it is called the linear equation. And also which are the rules we have follow for the balance on the linear equation also we have learned. Homework. Exercise 9.1, one only do. Okay, so homework, I will give only one problem. It contains 4 subdivisions. Okay, just choose it and write the answers, that's all. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask it out to me. Thank you, students.